Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Honorable Chairman.
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye.
Oh, who lives in a takeout box on the seafloor?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Who loves his brainwashing and always wants more?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Strong Chinese army, something you wish.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Then stop asking questions and get back to work.
Ah, what a wonderful Sunday morning in our glorious People's Republic. Better check my mandatory government calendar. I wonder what I get to do today. Oh, goody! I get to go to work again. Good morning, tanks. Good morning, Great Wall. Good morning, more tanks. Greetings, Patrick. You better get moving if you are to get to the factory on time.
I'm not going to work today.
What?
I have decided to take the day off.
Day off? You must be pulling my leg. Stop making humor before someone sees you, fool.
You are fool. I have used Google to learn about Western customs of leisure time, toilet break, and actually being paid.
I did not find those things when I searched Chinese Google. Use your head. Only through soul-crushing labor can we provide the West with affordable products like Nike shoes, electronic dartboard, dirt bike, sock puppet, railroads, rubber dog poop, Gap clothing, leather handbags, computer chips, American flags, baseballs, and everything at Walmart!
But Comrade SquarePants, don't you dream of a world where we can actually afford to buy the hilarious rubber dog poop we make?
Oh no! And now you're having dreams too?
I'm just trying to exercise my freedom of speech.
Oh, I wish you hadn't said that. Oh, fish sticks.